Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing some delicious and healthy snack options that will keep you full and energized all day long. Are you tired of feeling sluggish and hungry throughout the day? It's time to upgrade your snack game with these healthy options that will keep you full and energized all day long. First up, mixed nuts. They're a great source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, which will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Next, try sliced apples with almond butter. Apples are high in fiber and low in calories, while almond butter is packed with protein and healthy fats. Hard-boiled eggs are another great option. They're high in protein and low in calories, making them the perfect snack to keep you full and energized. Greek yogurt with berries is also a great choice. It's high in protein and low in sugar, and the berries add a natural sweetness and a boost of antioxidants. Finally, try hummus with carrot sticks. Hummus is high in protein and healthy fats, while carrots are packed with fiber and vitamins. So there you have it, 5 healthy snacks that will keep you full and energized all day long. Give them a try and let us know which one is your favorite.